hate you.
Love you. Thank you.
I got lipstick everywhere. Hi guys, kamusta? How are you? Welcome back to our channel. The reason I'm here without Jay is Jay is at work. So today I'm gonna try and surprise him. So I saw this video online or an article. To be honest, I actually didn't click it, but I saw like the subheading and I just thought it was a really sweet thing to do. So I am going to cook for Jay. So when he comes home, there's going to be a meal. But actually what I'm going to be wearing is my wedding dress. So I haven't worn that since my wedding day. I've probably tried it on once or twice since, actually, thinking about it. But 2nd of April 2018, and today is the 28th of July 2020, so it's been a while. I'm gonna put it on, surprise him. He's not really gonna know how to react, I think. He's probably gonna think, what the hell are you doing? I'm gonna try and record his reaction. I do think that's gonna be pretty difficult to do, but I will try my best for you guys. And what I'm gonna cook is the chicken curry. I've got the naan bread ready, I've got the fresh chicken, just need to get it all ready. And it's gonna be a race against time because I'm working too. I'm working from home, so it's not, I can't just get up. I've only got like one more 15-minute break, I think. So it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. But I'm gonna try and do as much as I can, and I think I'm gonna have to delay Jay because he also finishes at 5. So I haven't got long left to do it while he gets home. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is send him to the shops, pretend I need some things, make him get something yummy for dessert maybe. That's always the best part of every meal, the dessert. Yeah! And yeah, hopefully I'll get it all ready and we'll surprise him and we can surprise him together. So I'll set the cameras up, try my best and see what footage we come out with. So I'm sorry in advance. I do think Jay, when he sees this, is going to think that I've cooked him a nice salmon. He's been desperate for me to try and cook him salmon because I've never cooked fish for him because I hate the smell of fish. But that's not going to be the case. But bonus points if we catch him on camera saying, oh, I thought you were going to cook salmon, because I can feel that's going to come out of his mouth. But he's having chicken curry and he can deal with it, and I'll be wearing my wedding dress and he'll be blown away, hopefully. Alright, see you guys soon. Hi guys. Okay, so I've done my makeup, got my earrings in, done my hair, half up, half down. I've got his, I'm gonna set the iPad up here. I'm shaking. I shake sometimes, guys, it's nothing. I've got the iPad set up on the chair trying to record his reaction, which will show his reaction to this, which has his blazer on here and it says, wear me for dinner. So we'll see how that goes. I'll show you what I look like now. Here I am. So here's me, half up, half down, my wedding dress, my wedding shoes, and the back of the dress with all the detail on the back. I have a tattoo this time. I didn't have that on my wedding. See the tattoo on my back? I can't walk in heels, which is why I was just stumbling then and the camera was so awkward. So I'm gonna go to cooking dinner in my wedding dress, being very careful not to make any splashes on my dress. And hopefully Jay likes his surprise. Hopefully he thinks I look nice, and oh, I need to get the wine, so see you in a second. I'll try and film his reaction. Guys, look, this is my favorite cupboard. It's actually making me want to cook. Look how pretty this is. All my sauces and the packets up there. And then we've got the sweets, the chocolate, biscuits, oats, crisps, hot chocolate. We have all the pretty labels and it makes me really excited. It's so pretty. This time we're gonna put the rice cooker on Do the 2-finger trick. 2 knuckles. Perfect. Alright, this time we're not going to forget to cook the rice. We're going to do this. And we're going to do this. And it's going to start cooking. Let's trick all this away. This is my workstation, guys. So it needs to go away so food can go on the table. And I want to light a candle too, so I'm hoping I can make it out that door in time before Jay comes back in. Okay, we got a lighted candle. We've got the 2 glasses of wine. Water bottle can hide away. Stay hydrated. I feel nervous. It's my own husband. Now I feel nervous trying to pull it off. I need to get Alexa to play our song, which is Ed Sheeran Perfect. It's everybody's song.
Duh.
I'm waiting for him to come home. Hopefully I don't forget about my numbers.
Oh no!
So let's go through what's happening. We're waiting for Jay to come home, which literally should be any second. It might even be while we're talking. I have the chicken cooking. I'll show you in a second. I've got the wine on the table. I've got his blazer on the back of the door with a note that says, please wear this to dinner. So hopefully he'll realise something's up and come in wearing it. If he doesn't wear it, there's not a lot I can do, but I hope he does. And I've got Alexa waiting to play our song. Let me show you the chicken quickly. Obviously it's not cooked yet, so it doesn't look great, but it's ready. And the rice is ready to go. And the naan bread is in the oven. And let's find out if he likes it all. I really hope he's surprised. Hope we surprise him. Love heart bowl for the naan bread. Aww. Alexa, play. He's coming. I hope the iPad catches this.
I can smell something. I can smell something good.
Oh, wow! Bing!
Huh?
Look at the door.
Oh, come on.
Wear it then.
Hey
How
guys!
did you not even notice it?
I didn't notice this is real.
Ay.
Wow!
Fail every time.
Ah!
Such an anti-climax.
What is?
Come on. Surprise you. It's too close to the camera. Now you can put it on. How did you not read it right in front
I
of
didn't
you?
read that.
Why did you think it was on the door?
Oh my god! My wife surprised me with this one.
And you noticed the song playing?
Yeah.
I hate you.
Love you. Thank you.
You got lipstick everywhere.
Mm.
Which means I probably have. You got lipstick.
Huh?
You got lipstick on your top lip.
Look at the chef.
Oh gosh. We couldn't surprise him, guys. I tried to do something really sweet and he didn't even notice a blazer on the door.
Look at my wife.
Not
It's really
as it
beautiful.
was meant to happen.
Hi, beautiful.
No, bird?
Yeah, I'm gonna You want me to sit down and have dinner?
Yes, I got you wine.
Oh my god, guys. If you have a beautiful wife like this, don't live and be contented of what you have.
Even though we
Thank you.
can't surprise him.
Love you.
Love you too. Oh. Oh, what's wrong?
Di ko kalain guys na na i-surprise pala ako ni Ima ng ganito. Such a sweet wife. She's so lovely guys. So mamaya, see you mamaya, kakain na kami. Is it ready, yeah?
Yeah. Ready. That's why he was like, oh, I'm gonna go to the park. I was like, no, don't go to the park today. Can you come home? I was like, I really miss you.
Look at that.
Cooking in my wedding dress.
Woohoo! You miss our wedding day?
Half up, half down. What do you think?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Oh, there's still lipstick here, babe. Your top lip.
Love you.
I love you. Even though you're not easy to surprise.
So we're gonna eat, yeah?
Yeah.
What is that? Rice.
What is that? Does it look like sausages?
Perfect.
My husband likes mountains of rice. So don't judge the portions I give him. He won't be allowed this once he gets 30. But until then, we'll let him have a little bit extra rice.
Alam niyo ba guys, favorite ni Emma yung chicken curry. So this is perfect because we're gonna have rice.
Turn the camera around, babe. I don't know if it's cooked. I'm scared now. I'm gonna stop
Look
the
at-
iPad from filming.
Look at the chef.
Oh, we failed.
Emma is so lovely guys. So let's have a dinner then.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Let me film you on that.
I just come back
Wait,
from
wait, wait.
work.
Are you surprised?
Yeah, I was just come back from work guys and it was a surprise. So I'm really thankful and happy to my wife Emma Rubio.
You still like to see me in my wedding dress?
Yeah. And we're gonna have this one chicken curry, the favorite of Emma. And let's have dinner then. Let's go.
Let's eat. Let's get the wine and go. Before it all gets cold and ruined.
Chicken curry guys. Wow, look at that. That's why, you know what? I was talking with Uncle Boyet outside. Alright, then.
Why, what were you saying to him?
Now we're just talking because he's just coming from work in Tuton and he was driving by and I was like, hey! And we're talking for like 10 minutes there outside. Okay guys, we're gonna have food right now.
We'll see you in a bit. We're going to have a romantic meal and we'll talk to you later.
Wow. Your curry is better than mine.
You like it?
Love you, babe. You know what? When I was coming back home, like I was always thinking about you. Like I was thinking that maybe Emma was making surprise for me. And I was thinking only food. Like when I smell the food, Like, that's why I didn't see it.
I can't believe you walked right past it. Jay just said something and I need you to hear it. Say it loud. You had a sense I was doing what?
To cook salmon.
Bonus points. Ding, ding, ding.
Why?
I said on the camera, I think Jay will think that I'm doing a surprise, but he'll think that I'm cooking salmon.
Yeah.
And I said bonus points if he says it, because I think he will. I know you so much.
Hi guys, we had a really good dinner, a romantic one. Ima did really best chicken curry, which is her favorite food. And thank you so much for watching us all the time.
We had a really nice romantic evening. It's really lovely. I'm really glad I did it because it ended up being really romantic.
I was really surprised because I was at work and then coming back home, and then my wife surprised a really nice and romantic dinner.
I still can't
And she was
believe he
wearing-
didn't wear the jacket, but at least he's wearing it now. Sorry, babe,
Yeah.
what were you saying?
Yeah, that's it for today, guys. You're having a really nice dinner, yeah?
Yeah, it's good. I wish I was a professional chef, but it was okay.
Yeah. Thank you for always watching us, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye. Love you.
Love you.